Hello, good morning. My name is Oriol Carbó, Application Engineer at HMS, and today we are going to talk about building automation in hotels. When we talk about hotel buildings, automation is not just technology. It means energy efficiency, comfort for people, and also reduce operational costs. Modern hotels rely on many systems: HVAC, lighting, energy efficiency metering, etc. When these systems grow over time, it becomes more difficult to maintain them. One of the main challenges in hotel buildings is system fragmentation. For example, we can talk about HVAC. We have many different brands, systems, also legacy brands that are no longer used. And this extends also to lights, metering. Anything can have many different brands and ways to work. All these systems, they work well on its own, right? They have their own control system, and that's totally fine. But at the end, they operate in isolation. And this means operational inefficiency, this means higher energy consumption, and more manual intervention. The key to overcome this fragmentation is system integration. At the end, integrating them, we can control, we can monitor, and also we have data access. This integration creates a standardized control without replacing existing equipment. When systems are integrated, the impact is immediate. Facility managers have access to all the data from the hotel. Errors can be monitored, avoiding unnecessary downtime. The key aspect in hotels is hybrid control. With the BMS, we have global strategy, while customers can still have local control by using the room controllers. Also, very important, energy data helps us to understand where your hotel is consuming this energy and how can be optimized. Using gateways for system integration provides flexibility and long-term scalability. It allows hotels to have mixed brands, legacy systems, multiple protocols into the same architecture. This approach avoids expensive replacements, it reduces project risk, and also keeps the system ready for future expansion. In summary, hotel automation is not about adding new systems. It's about integrating the existing ones in a more smart and structured way. At the end, system integration in a hotel improves efficiency, reduces energy consumption, and delivers a more comfortable experience to the guests. So that's all, folks. Have a nice day, and see you next time.
Intesis. Secured by design. Trusted by default. Discover more at hms-networks.com/Intesis.